Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the app version so you can detect future changes. This helps if you need to roll back. Once done, open your App Store and disable automatic updates for YouTube, then immediately restrict the app's background data and Wi-Fi auto-update privileges. Make sure to revoke any device admin or special permissions that allow silent installs. These first actions limit updates from being pushed silently, and they set the stage for the device-level controls that follow. Next, you apply intermediate controls that actually block the delivery path. For Android, uncheck auto-update in Play Store and consider using a local firewall to block domains that serve updates. Alternatively, hold a known good APK and disable installation sources. For iOS, turn off automatic downloads and use screen time to restrict App Store changes. Once these are in place, monitor notifications and update logs. This helps you ensure updates are prevented without disrupting app functionality. To finish, lock down update triggers and create a rollback plan. Set a Play Store password, restrict profiles, and keep a backup APK or app export so you can restore a stable build. Make sure to regularly verify settings because system updates can re-enable auto-updates. If YouTube still forces an update, clear the App Store cache, revoke storage permissions, and retry. If nothing works, consider a targeted factory reset as a last resort. This final troubleshooting step protects your preferred app.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.